Blackstone grill. This grill is for you. If you like adventure, you like camping, you like car camping, you just like going out in the woods. Obviously, backpacking's prohibitive. It's too heavy and bulky. This is the adapter hose from Coleman. You can get another brand if you want, as long as it's a good brand. You got a cover there. The bag and stuff like that's optional. And the cover. But this Blackstone Adventure Ready Grill, it is a good grill. We've had this now a couple years, and it's a great grill. Take the top off. In here I keep all the pieces. Screw in, go on. Here's the drip can, goes to the back. This is real light now. The top is heavy. Get this out of the way. Put this down. Make sure everything's in the 4 holes there. This is the drip pan. This attaches back here like so. You do your cooking, your oils flow to the back. You got to push them to the back too with your spatula. We'll get cooking on this baby here in a little bit. This is the adapter that goes on there. You slide that in. You screw this up. Okay, here's your typical green canisters that this particular stove and many other stoves are made to run off of. You screw this into the back, get everything situated, follow the directions, and light it up. The Blackstone Adventure Ready. Again, this stove really is made for people that like to get in the outdoors with a car or a truck. It's in a camper. But here's the adapter. This end goes on your tank, your big tank. This end right here is the one that screws in here. Of course, you can adjust this to the right level. Screw this in and attach this to your big 20-pound tank. This here's what, about $30? Depends upon where you get it. This, when we bought it, we got it on sale for $60, and I thought that was a pretty good deal. Now they're running a bit higher than that, but the Blackstone Adventure Ready Griddle, call it a grill, it's worth the money. Now let's get busy cooking. Let's get busy and have some fun, and I'll show you how much stuff you can put up in there. It's a good grill, but you got to keep watch on quality control on certain things. Just noticing a few things on our Blackstone Adventure Ready Griddle. And that is the corner. Some of the welding on this corner right there is missing. It should have been up more like the welding on this corner. Hold the knife steady. So make sure you check the welding. Make sure it's done. It's an easy fix, but something you should keep in mind, because if that oil was coming out here, you could have some serious problems. But since everything should be slanted back, it'd be going out back here into the drip pan. This has been working pretty good. Highly recommend it. Blackstone Adventure Ready Griddle. So if you can pick one up, you can get a carrying bag for it. You can get the little stand for it too if you want, but I'd recommend just go ahead and get the carry case. Get all the utensils you need, and then you can get an adapter for this where you can screw on to a large propane tank. It's an extra hose, but works good with these little green cans. So if you get to doing a lot of grilling and cooking, you're going to be using a lot of propane, a lot of fuel. So you might want to consider that.